In this video, I'll show you two ways to create a list on your Alexa devices. The first way I'll show you is using the app. So if you open your Alexa app, tap on the three lines in the bottom right corner, tap on Lists and Notes, and then tap on Create List, or the plus icon at the top. Give it a name. Tick, and that's the list created. Then you can add an item to the list. Push the tick, and that's the item on your list. You can add more items through the app like that, or you can use your voice to add items. So if you wanted to use your voice, you could say, Alexa, add day 1 to my course list.
Day 1 added to course list.
And you see it's popped up there on the app as well. Now, if you wanted to create a list just using your voice, then you would just say, Alexa, create new list.
What would you like to call it?
Test.
That was test, right?
Yes.
I've created test list.
And you see it's popped up in the app. Test 1.
I've added 1 to your test list. What else?
Stop. And if we look in the app, you can see it's added 1. And again, you can click add item in the app and you can manually add items if you want. And that's how you create lists and add items to lists, either through the app or using your voice.